Here we have the Tactical Woodgas single battery bank with the optional cigarette lighter adapter. So you've got the cigarette lighter adapter, you've got the 800 watt inverter, and you've got the trickle charger. And over here is the rest of the box. The battery doesn't ship with the unit, it's too heavy, and you'll get a better deal locally. So you buy this battery locally. Look for a 100 amp hour or up to maybe 120, 130 amp hour deep cycle 12 volt RV/marine battery. It'll be commonly a size 27, 29, 31 battery. Set it up so you have found the negative and then the positive terminals, and then what we're going to do is take the lid, we're going to turn it so it's got the, can't see that very well, there you go, so you could have the power outlets facing you, and I like to set it on the side. So if you reach inside here, now let me flip it up. On the inside is the wire assembly, and it's very simple. It's only got two leads. It's got the black, which is the negative, it's got the red, which is the positive, and that's it. So you set this thing close by the battery, reach in there, this is the negative lead because it's black. We're going to take and bolt it down. And we're going to take the red lead. I'm going to bolt that thing down. You might have seen a little spark there. The spark is because the capacitors that are inside of the inverter have been fully discharged. So they got charged up all of a sudden when I made that connection. Now you tighten these things down by hand and then you grab a wrench. The important thing is that there's an awful lot of energy in the battery, and you don't want that energy to be shorted between these two. So don't allow anything to bridge these. So when I'm tightening this, I'm keeping the wrench well away from the other terminal, off to the side. So there's no chance of me shorting it out and having sparks and fire and damage to the unit. Okay, so you've got that nice and tight. Then all you've got to do is put the lid on. There's a little go back here. There we go. Clips in both sides. There we go. Here, oops, sorry. There we've got the get the wires on the inside. Clips down there. Clips down there. And now you've got the battery installed. So what we want to do, there we go, better light. What we want to do is plug in the charger. The charger is on the top here, and all you've got to do is plug it into the wall. And that's it. So you're going to see the lights turn on. The charger here will go through its little power sequencing to come up, and then it'll usually come up yellow, and it'll say charging. There's a light here that comes on if the clamps are reversed. That just means you put the red on the minus instead of on the plus on the battery. And then on the front, you've got the two outlets, and it's not 800 watts a piece. It's 800 watts combined. Then you've got a USB outlet, and then of course you've got the cigarette lighter adapters for your charging units. Turn the thing on, it does its light sequencing, and then it's ready to go. And this is, at this point, ready to run whatever you want to run.